Hi, I'm Kashin Naidu, and today we are going to be talking about progressive web apps, or PWAs as it's commonly known. If you're already embracing a mobile first and want to take your existing online experience to the next level, PWAs offers an exciting new way and cost-effective way to engage with your consumers. Here to tell us more is Michał Szklarski. So Michał, tell us a bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Michał Szklarski from ePoint, and I'm Head of Digital Solutions and PWA Expert for a company that makes an advanced front-end project.
How would you describe progressive web apps to someone who's not heard of them?
That's a tricky question. I actually like it. PWAs for a newcomers, those are kind of a websites, kind of a web applications that are upgraded to use latest cutting-edge technologies from most modern web browsers in order to provide them native mobile application experiences, such as very quick loading time, such as, for example, using some hardware that are camera, that are geolocation, and so on.
Why are PWAs so important?
On the first hand, PWAs emphasize on performance. So regarding that, which is a crucial factor for most of customers, most of users of applications, there are strict guidelines that are invented by and applied actually by Google to progressive applications. Plus to that, when you are doing PWAs from scratch for your business, for example, then you are doing it only once and for all platforms. That's a huge value proposition in them.
It certainly is a hot button topic in the industry, but are PWAs the real deal, or is it just another fad that will soon be forgotten?
Certainly not. From the business perspective, a lot of industry leaders are starting to adopt or even introduce PWA to their end users, such as, for example, pure players as Uber, as Tinder, as Pinterest, or even Instagram. And from the second hand, there are a lot of local businesses that are starting to introduce their website as PWAs. As it was invented by Google, actually, it's still being supported and promoted globally.
It is interesting that you mentioned Google. I understand that ePoint has recently been listed on Google's directory of agencies for progressive web apps. How did that come about?
That's correct. There are only 23 qualified web development agencies worldwide, with us being the first and only one from Poland. Actually, together with Google, we hosted PWA Hackathon in Warsaw earlier this year, when we showed the companies from the banking and the financials, banking and the retail, the advanced PWA tuning techniques. In June, we will have a webinar that will also describe those techniques and PWA Commerce Accelerator, or brand new product. Then in June, we also will have workshops in Berlin.
Fascinating. So what can we learn from the webinar and the workshop?
We will show why it's worth entering the world of PWAs. We will show from the perspective of business user and the end user what are the strict advantages from implementing PWA and also the outcomes.
So thank you for sharing, and see you online and in Berlin.
Thank you very much.